you, all I do.
Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Welcome to the Canada series of vlogs, guys. We are back in Canada again for the summer, well, the remainder of the summer, and I want to bring you guys along on my adventures here. I don't have like 100% concrete plans for my stay. I have a couple plans, but not like concrete plans for the whole time that I'm going to be here. But I want to bring you guys along to, you know, some of the things that I get up to. I kind of want this trip to be more about like the experiences here, you know, because when I was here in the winter it was completely different in terms of like what was available to me. And I mean, Canada was basically on lockdown at that time, so there wasn't much to do, and especially, you know, like most of the things were indoor because it was winter time. So now we're back in the summer, we have a lot more that we can do. We're no longer on lockdown, you know, things are popping, so we're gonna try and get up to quite a bit of stuff. But I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I'm actually getting ready to head to an outlet mall with my mom. First I'm gonna head to a mall, like a proper mall, to drop off my laptop, because I haven't mentioned it in the vlogs that I've uploaded, but I actually have some issues going on with my MacBook. So that's kind of one of the reasons why I wasn't posting as much, is because I didn't have the access to a couple vlogs that I had that I edited. All of them are on my MacBook, so I can't access those vlogs, and I also couldn't edit on my MacBook as well, because primarily it's what I use for my edits now. So the last vlog that you guys saw, which is the travel vlog, as well as the vlog of when Vanessa was in Jamaica, those were edited on my phone. Well, at least I think my travel vlog is gonna end up being edited on my phone, because I'm actually, as I said, about to drop off my laptop at Apple today to get it fixed. And then I don't know how long it's gonna take them to fix it. I'm hoping it's not more than a week, but it might be, but we'll see. So that's the order of the day. I'm going to Apple and then heading to another mall, another outlet mall, to do some shopping with my mom. So that's their day, so come along. And I don't know what to expect for the day, but we will see. I know you guys will enjoy the vlog regardless, so I'll see you guys when I'm on my way to Apple. Trying on some stuff. I really like the shorts, but I feel like I could get away with a size small. This is a medium, because it's like, it's not tight, and the back is stretchy. But I really like it.
Remember everything you said. Had to go on dreaming.
Good morning. First of all, I just want to say that Canada does not feel like summer. I just want to put that out there.
This is one of the coolest summers ever.
Yeah, it does not feel like summer. I mean,
this year, I know, because like when I said, stop polluting the environment.
Stop polluting?
Yeah, when you reduce pollution,
Yeah,
it's supposed to be helping the environment.
I didn't know that.
Oh, you
mean like overall, like climate change? Well,
yeah.
I mean, like I don't feel like we've been doing.
Because everything was locked down, nobody was driving, whatever.
I see what you mean.
So the temperature's kind of like,
yeah,
like you more rain, for example. So,
but in some places it's like it's very hot, and
yeah,
they're having heat wave.
Yeah.
So in Jamaica it's hot as hell.
I think also it shifts. places that don't usually get certain things. Yeah.
Because it is hot in Jamaica. Before me and mommy left, we kept complaining every day how hot it was. It's really hot. But we got here and it's so cool. I mean, for a Canadian, this is warm. This is nice weather, but this is cool. This is what?
Yeah, this is cool. It's supposed to be maybe August, we'll see, because they have like days
July.
like where it's extreme heat.
I mean, not that I'm looking forward to that either, because I like food to eat is a different kind of heat, and I'm not looking forward to that. But I'm just saying, it's been cool.
They open like downtown, they open like cooling centers.
Oh my gosh. And then in the cities where it's like the buildings. Yeah.
Beginnings. I'm not afraid to overcome every feeling that I have. So take me in your arms.
Hey y'all. We're currently at the GO station right now, heading into Toronto. We're going to a family barbecue. I don't know if you guys can hear me because it's so loud. Because basically the station is right by the highway, so it's really loud. But we're gonna go to a family barbecue and hopefully we can go to the Distillery district after. Me and mom. Say hi. So yeah, that's what we're up to today. Today is Thursday, by the way. It's Thursday. Oh, and this is my outfit. Shorts, crop top, all black. It's a vibe.
Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, and you know it's true. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, and you know it's true. And you know it's true. Yeah.
Just got to our first stop. Now to find the TTC. Don't know how we're gonna do that. But we'll figure it out. Okay guys, we found the way to the TTC. So we're on our way. We're walking there now. If we get lost, if we get lost, you guys will be the first to know. Mommy, let's say if we get lost, they'll be the first to know. Don't mind my mask, that's lipstick, y'all. Lipstick. Yeah. Okay guys, we found it. There it is.
I'm not afraid to be alone, new beginnings. I'm not afraid to overcome every feeling that I have. So take me in your arms. Yeah. 'Cause nothing can really hurt us.
Kept it pretty simple. I think you guys have seen this black crop top before. These are the shorts that I bought. Sandals. That's it. Lulu? Lulu, you want to be my vlog? Come here. Lulu. Hi.
But I'm not afraid to be alone, new beginnings. I'm not afraid to overcome every feeling that I have. So take me in your arms. Oh, yeah, yeah. 'Cause nothing can really hurt us unless we
left the barbecue and we are now on our way to the Distillery district. To be honest, mommy, I don't have the screenshot to remember vaguely how to find it. So I think it's on the street. Just so, and then turn right. We're gonna see. Because I have the screenshot of the way to get here, but I didn't have the walking map. Screenshot. I didn't screenshot that before I came onto the Wi-Fi. So, but it's not gonna be hard to find. It's like along here. That's where it is. You didn't get lost today. I've been the navigator. Navigation. No built-in navigation system. And we are here, people. We found it. We found it. Yes, we did. You want a picture here? This is cute. Yeah, it's my first time here. It's basically a district with like a bunch of shops and stuff. Yeah, it has like a bunch of shops and I think artwork and things like that. And restaurants, bars, distilleries, as the name suggests. Things like that. This is really pretty. Okay, so I think we walked out the whole of the distillery already. I thought it was bigger, but it's I mean it's pretty spread out, but it's not. I thought it was bigger than it is, unless we have walked everywhere. But yeah, but it's very cute. It's very, very cute, and it has a lot of like cute bars and restaurants and shops. You want to go in here with me? Let's go in here. Like a lot of just cute stuff. It's very cute. It's very, very cute. It's very fancy. Industrial farmer. This bag is cute. This reminds me of my bag, but this is like the bigger version of like my bag. I don't know how much it is. 65. Yes, that wouldn't be bad compared to, huh? Oh, gloves that you like. Very nice. Ice cream at one of the places. Guys, I think the bird wants my ice cream. Maybe he wants. I gave him a piece of my cone and he's eating it. Oh my god. Okay, more are coming. Let's not feed them. I'm not feeding you guys anymore. Yeah, no, go away. That's enough. Mom and I we were going to get a Uber from Distillery District, but then I came up with the wise idea of walking to the eating center instead of taking a Uber, and it wasn't so bad. The walk wasn't so bad. Almost there. And then we're gonna just shop around in the eating center a little bit, and then after that we're gonna go home. So we're gonna go to Union Station to get a train, a GO train back home. So yeah, we're walking like locals. We're such locals right now, just walking around in the city. Just walking around, no big deal. You know, just a little help from Miss Google Maps, but nothing crazy. Big up Miss Google Maps. Anyway, should they?